Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, you're going to learn 20 daily English phrases that native speakers use all the time in real conversations. These phrases will help you sound more natural, more confident, and much more fluent in everyday English. Each phrase comes with simple meaning and real-life examples so you can start using them immediately in your speaking. Make sure to watch till the end because these phrases are super useful and will instantly improve your communication skills. Let's get started. 1. How are you? A standard greeting used to ask about someone's well-being. Hi Sarah, how are you? I haven't seen you all week. 2. What is your name? Used when meeting someone for the first time to learn what they are called. Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is Alex. 3. Nice to meet you. A polite phrase used right after meeting someone new. It's a pleasure, Mark. Nice to meet you. 4. Where are you from? Used to ask about someone's country, city, or place of origin. Your accent sounds interesting. Where are you from? 5. How's it going? A casual, informal way to ask how are you, or how is your life day going? Hey buddy, how's it going? Ready for the weekend? 6. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Time-specific formal or polite greetings used throughout the day. Good morning, everyone. Let's start today's meeting. 7. What are you doing? Used to ask about someone's current activity or immediate plans. What are you doing right now? Do you want to grab lunch? 8. See you later. A common, friendly way to say goodbye when you expect to see the person again soon. I have to run to class now. See you later. 9. Have a good day. A polite way to wish someone well when parting ways during the daytime. Thanks for the coffee. Have a good day. 10. Sorry, I'm late. An apology used when you arrive past the scheduled or expected time. Sorry, I'm late. The traffic on the highway was terrible. 11. Excuse me, please. A polite phrase used to get someone's attention, move past someone, or apologize for a minor interruption. Excuse me, please. Could I squeeze past you to get to my seat? 12. Could you help me? A polite request for assistance or a favor. I can't reach the top shelf. Could you help me? 13. What time is it? Used to ask for the current time of day. My phone died. What time is it? 14. How much is this? Used when shopping to ask about the price of an item. I really like this jacket. How much is this? 15. I'd like a coffee, please. A polite way to order a beverage, or any item by swapping out coffee, at a coffee or restaurant. Hello, I'd like a coffee, please. Medium size, black. 16. How was your day? A thoughtful question asked at the end of the day to find out how someone's day went. Welcome home, honey. How was your day? 17. What is that word? Used when you hear or see an unfamiliar word and want an explanation or spelling. I don't understand the headline. What is that word? Recession. 18. Where is the bathroom? A direct and essential question used to ask for locations of public or private restrooms. Excuse me, waiter, where is the bathroom? 19. What do you mean? Used to ask someone to clarify or explain their statement further because you didn't quite understand. You said we need to cancel the trip. What do you mean? 20. I am a bit tired. A phrase used to express that you are feeling slightly exhausted or low on energy. I think I'm going to head to bed early tonight. I'm a bit tired. Great job on completing today's lesson. Keep practicing these sentences every day until they become a natural part of your English. Remember, fluency comes from consistent practice, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe to the channel for more practical English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!